In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show products on the Google Shopping tab step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is one of the best free ways to get your WooCommerce products visible on Google without running ads, and it can bring in consistent organic traffic and sales. We'll go through everything from installing the right plugin to activating free listings inside Google Merchant Center. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's jump straight in. First, log in to your WordPress admin area and go to your dashboard. This is where you'll manage plugins and settings for your WooCommerce store. From the dashboard menu on the left, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. This is where you can search and install new plugins to extend your store's functionality. In the plugin search bar, type Google for WooCommerce. This is the official plugin provided to connect your WooCommerce store with Google services like Google Merchant Center and Google Shopping. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin is important because it unlocks the Google integration inside WooCommerce. After activation, you'll be prompted to set up Google for WooCommerce. Click on the Setup option to start the setup wizard. The plugin will now guide you step by step through the process. First, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use the Google account you want associated with your business and products. Next, the setup wizard will ask about Google Merchant Center. If you don't already have a Merchant Center account, don't worry. You can create a new one directly from the setup wizard by clicking Create New. This saves time and ensures everything is connected properly. During the step, Google will also ask you to verify and claim your website. In most cases, this is automatic and only requires a single click to verify ownership of your site. Once your account is created and verified, you'll move on to configuring your product listings. Here, you'll choose how your products are synced, confirm your store details, and review basic product information like currency, shipping, and target country. Make sure all the information is accurate because Google uses this data to decide where and how your products appear in search results. After completing the setup inside WooCommerce, log in to your Google Merchant Center. From the Merchant Center dashboard, go to Marketing and then click on Free Listings. This is a very important step because free listings are what allow your products to appear on the Google Shopping tab without paid ads. Click Activate to enable free listings for your account. At this point, Google will start reviewing your products. This review process usually takes anywhere from 3 to 7 days. During this time, Google checks your products, website, and policies to make sure everything complies with their guidelines. Once approved, your products can start appearing in the Google Shopping tab and organic search results. And that's it. You've now learned how to show products on the Google Shopping tab using WooCommerce and Google Merchant Center. This setup can drive free traffic to your store and help you reach customers who are already searching for products like yours. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.